Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something quick and easy, and it's just a bit of a DIY for Colorado owners. So if you're like me, you own a Mad Colorado, you may be having this issue. It's something that's very common on all the Colorado Facebook pages and just other forums and things like that. And it has something to do with the rear tail light. So if you're not familiar with it and you haven't had a look, take a look at your rear headliner. Now I don't know what models this happens on, but everyone seems to say the same thing. I think it's just a common issue. Up on the back headliner where your rear tail light is, I don't know if you guys can see it, you can kind of see a bit of a stain going on there. So it gets darker as it gets to the center and then it sort of fades out. But it's just this lower section, just a bit of a stain the whole way. Now that stain on the inside is caused by that rear tail light just up there between the cab and the tray, or if you got a tub back, this will be much easier for you. But essentially water leaks through that light, and it seems to be a common issue for the Colorado. So heaps of people do this, not something I just figured out, it's something I've stumbled upon. Basically, all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, some cleaning product, and some Sikaflex. We essentially are going to take the light off, we're going to clean behind it, and then we're just going to put a bit of Sikaflex in there to stop any water leaking through. Now this is basically Holden's way of fixing it. One of my mates that works at Holden, he says they do the exact same thing. They use a panel bond or it's like an automotive silicone, I can't remember what he called it, but it's essentially the Sikaflex. And yeah, they just basically stick the light on and that's it. They sometimes swap out for a new light, but they'll still do the stick method because the seals just go and there's just no way of fixing them really. So we're going to jump up on top of the cab. This is going to be pretty quick and easy. We're going to remove the light, clean it up, and whack some Sikaflex in there. Righto, so up on top of the cab we've got our light here. I'm going to use this little stubby Phillips head, and we're just going to remove the two Phillips head screws on the side. Hopefully WD-40 is needed. Alright, gave that some quick WD-40. Now we're going to unscrew the two screws. Hello. Alright, once the tail light's out, I'm going to leave that connected. Just rest it up on the roof, like that. Oh, and we're going to give that a full clean off because it's quite muddy behind there. Alright, so this is what we're dealing with. We've got our hole, the lights hang down a bit so that it's not in my way. I've given it a full clean off, but as you can see there's still a slight dirt line there. So that'll give me a bit of an identification of how high I can't go, you know what I mean? So we'll keep a bead of Sikaflex to run all the way along. I'm just going to go down the sides a bit, but I'm not going to go and do the bottom so that, you know, if any water gets in there, it can get back out through that seal. But we just need to basically stop any water coming in the top at all. So I'm going to set the camera up for you guys and do the Sikaflex and stuff like that and put the light all back in. You just put it back in the exact same way we took it out. So once I Sikaflex it, I'm going to basically sandwich it in there and put my two screws in and we're done. If I get any Sikaflex anywhere, I've got to clean it off quickly before it glues to the car. And I don't really want to have it all stuck to the car. So fingers crossed this works out nicely without getting a mess everywhere. And yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you in a sec. Righto, that's it. So I was lucky enough not to have any sealant come out. Basically, if you just do a nice thin bead of silicone all the way around, or Sikaflex, sorry, it should be okay. And hopefully that'll stop any more stains and water issues. So I won't know until, well, it buckets down and I touch the ceiling. Fingers crossed that's all you got to do. That was a really simple install that anyone can do. The hardest part is probably just to make sure you are really clean and neat with that. Because you don't want black Sikaflex all over your white paint job or whatever colour car you got. So like I said, this is a quick, short, easy DIY to do yourself at home. If you've got that issue up there, definitely take off your rear tail light, put a bit of Sikaflex in, slap it back on, and fingers crossed that'll sort your issues out. But other than that, I know this was a short video, but this is something that's quite common with the Colorado, and I thought it'd be good to show you guys what's going on. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.